Well, it was hard to get Beck in the house to start with. She was that scared of going in.
Had a lot of asbestos, a lot of concrete,
Lino on every surface.
rats, possums.
In one room there was 3 different wallpapers with a red fiery carpet.
But a lot of character.
It was a one-owner home for the life of a lovely Italian grandma. As she got older, she went into care home, and so the house was actually empty for 5, 6, 7 years. It was, I'll say within the budget, it was right at the top of the budget.
It was.
Right at the top. Yeah. Because it was so much in the right location.
Yeah.
And so much in terms of ticking those other boxes of...
That community feel. We love the street, close to amenities and a park.
I think I grew up in the same house my whole life, so I was just so used to having your sort of true north, so to speak. It was always home.
I had a lot of rentals with my mum, so I always really wanted to feel that centred, grounded feeling, and I wanted that for my children as well. I wanted to be able to paint the walls or, mark their height on the door frame and it not be an issue with the landlord.
I was a little bit worried about Beck, whether she'd be all right in the house, because it, felt a little bit like camping at the start. Then you go out those moments, like when you wake up and you walk out of your bedroom and there are
hundreds of
flies in your hallway. That was 1 week where I was like, what are we doing? Everyone thinks real estate agents are their enemy. I mean, the real estate agent is trying to enact a transaction. That's their job. So you can definitely use them. And, you go to an agent and say, we're looking for something that fits this bill, whatever that is. You don't just have to do it online and turn up at, your Saturday morning at the open to inspection. You can definitely try and outsource as much work as you can in the hunt.
I definitely see it as our forever home. So I didn't want to look at it as an investment, but in saying that, we also wanted to buy something smart.
Like with most challenges, once you take the first step and you're in there and the house looks a bit more familiar, as every day went, it felt more like home.